How to add a visitor counter on your Wix website. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to add this section on your website. Now it is actually going to be very useful and is going to be very something that a lot of people do, and it is going to be social proof that you have this many visitors that are coming to your website and so on. So first you will need to just go and open up your Wix obviously and click on or open up the editor for your Wix. So we can just go in and continue and add it. Now it is not going to actually be from Wix itself. It is actually going to be a third-party application from the Wix store that we will be using, and it's going to serve us in that specific way. So just go and open up your Wix website editor, and I will just wait for it to load and get back to you once it's done. Great, so once your website opens up, you can feel free to start by creating a section for it if you feel like it. But you basically want to go to the Add Apps section on the left panel. So just go and click on Add Apps. And once the Wix Market opens up here for us, we want to search for a specific app, which is going to be called Hit Counter. So just go ahead and search for Hit Counter, and it should be this one right here, Hit Counter. So just go and click on this one. And you can actually recognize it easily. It is by Power, and they have high ratings for it. So just go and click on Add to Site. Agree and add. Once you obviously read all of these things, and now it should say adding Hit Counter. Now in this case, it's going to be shown here for us. Even though it is invisible, we can just click on Settings and Begin. And from settings we can adjust a lot of stuff in it. Again, just wait for it to load, and sometimes it could be glitchy. It could not show up for you completely. In that case, you may need to remove it and add it again from the same place. Just go to Add Apps, search for Hit Counter, and you'll be able to set it up again. Now here's the thing, it does actually have problems with ad blockers, so just go ahead and turn off ad block, which is just going to allow us to move forward. Now let's just go and remove from Chrome, not move. Let's just stop this specific ad block for the time being and move on, even though it is working now. But just so we prevent future conflicts with it, you can just go in and turn off your ad block for it, and basically you will have it be working like so, and you will have as many visits as you actually have. And if you click on Settings, hopefully this time it's actually going to work. You have a lot more stuff that you can work with. For example, the design aspect, you can change the animation, whether it's going to be count up or slide up, and you can also see the animation time. I'm just going to make it 80 seconds here. Fonts, if you want to change the font, you can feel free to do so, and also the color of the font, so we can just change that, and you can see now the colors have changed for us. And more stuff like the background and border, if you actually wanted to change that, you can feel free to do so, and so on. So there is going to be a lot more stuff that you can play around with. And yeah, just make sure your ad block is turned off for this specific site, and you should be good to go. And it should say how many visits you got. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.